Welcome to my cooking show. Today I'm making stuffed peppers. So first I'm gonna cook this brown rice and this quinoa together in my little rice cooker. I'm gonna use this spicy chicken broth that I found. Think it'll be interesting with the flavors. I'm using some mini sweet peppers. So we're gonna mix that up and put that on while we get everything else ready. These peppers were left over from when I made something else, so I had to figure out something to do, and I was like, why not stuff them? This corn is also left over, just cutting it off the cob. I don't like to waste food. So now I'm chopping up this zucchini. And yes, that's a steak knife, so don't talk about my rough chopping. That's all the knives we had in the house. Like, this is the sharpest knife I could find, okay? By the time I got to these tomatoes, I was over it. So I tried to use a bread knife, and that didn't cut it either. I spent like 20 minutes trying to cut up all these damn tomatoes. So here I am picking another knife up, and it didn't cut a damn thing. And then I forgot we had a knife sharpener, so I went and used that, and voila. Now my rice and quinoa is finally done. I didn't know quinoa swell up so much. I made like too much filling. Here we go with the seasonings. I start off with some salt. And then I think this is parsley. I don't know. I can't remember. Then oregano and some onion powder. And then some chili powder. I just bought some of these because we ran out. I also added cumin, or however you say it, and rosemary and white pepper. Yeah. Then mix it all up. That shit was smelling good, boy. Now we on to the stuffing. At this point, I realized the pan was too big, so I switched to a smaller one. Then I used the rest of the chicken broth that I had for the bottom of the pan, so that it don't burn or whatever. And I added some more tomatoes and Parmesan cheese. I only added a little bit of Parmesan because I wasn't sure how it was going to affect the flavors. I literally made this recipe up. I think I let it cook for 45 minutes or so. I don't know. But yeah, it's done. Goddamn runaway foil. This me doing a little taste test or whatever. And I picked the worst angle possible to do a taste test and then be talking to the camera. This is crazy. But anyway, it was pretty good. I definitely should have seasoned the peppers with some salt. I had to add some salt. I don't try to over salt my shit because I be mad if the food's salty because then I don't want it. I'd rather it be under salted than over salted.
I wish I had somebody else here to try this with me.